How SQL queries work, something every software developer has to know. Welcome to Starter Pack. I'm Spencer Thomason. Here at Starter Pack, we train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps and build custom software solutions for companies. With a decade of executive leadership as a fractional CTO and 25 years in software development, I've mastered transforming tech teams and products. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic that every software developer must know: how SQL queries work. So let's dive in. Okay, we're going to break down how SQL queries work, the order of operations, and overall things that every software developer should know, whether interviewing or just for their own knowledge. This will help them to write better queries that will result in more performant applications. So let's understand the basics of a SQL query. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a standard language for interacting with relational databases. It allows developers to create, read, update, and delete data within a database. The power of SQL lies in its simplicity and flexibility. As a software developer, you rely heavily on SQL to manage your user data and configuration. A basic SQL query consists of a select statement specifying which columns to retrieve and from which table. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step in mastering SQL. Now, everybody needs to understand how to optimize their SQL performance. Query optimization is crucial for improving the performance of your database interactions. Poorly written queries can lead to slow response times and increased load on the database server. Techniques such as indexing or using appropriate join types and limiting the number of columns in a select statement can significantly enhance query performance. Efficient queries ensure that your application remains responsive and scalable. So part of that optimization is understanding the order the queries operate under the hood. SQL queries are processed in a specific order, and understanding this order is crucial for writing and optimized queries effectively. The typical order of SQL query processing involves these following steps. So here's a nice diagram which clearly explains how the SQL queries look like and how it's executed by the query engine. I'll go through all of this. The query begins by specifying the source tables or views from which the data will be retrieved. This clause defines the primary data source for the query. Join. If the query involves multiple tables, the join clause is used to combine data from different tables based on specified conditions. Different types of joins, inner join, left join, right join, etc., determine how rows from each table are matched and included in the result set. Where. The where clause is used to filter the rows based on specific conditions. It restricts the data to only those rows that meet the specified criteria. Rows that do not satisfy the conditions are excluded from further processing. Group by. If aggregation is required, the group by clause is used to group rows with similar values in specified columns. This step is often used in conjunction with the aggregation functions like count, sum, average, etc. to perform calculations on grouped data. Having. The having clause is used to filter the result set after the group by operation has been performed. It specifies conditions for filtering aggregated data. Similar to the where clause, rows that do not meet the criteria are excluded from the final result. Select. The select clause is used to specify the columns that should appear in the final result set. It determines which data will be retrieved and displayed in the query output. Distinct. The distinct keyword, if used, removes duplicate rows from the result set, ensuring that only unique values are displayed. Order by. The order by clause is used to sort the result set based on specified columns. It arranges the rows into ascending or descending order as specified. Limit, offset, or fetch first. Depending on the database system, you might use limit or fetch or first, and offset clauses control the number of rows returned and to implement pagination. Union, intersect, except. If needed, these set operations can be used to combine the results of multiple queries. So one of the most powerful features of SQL is the ability to join tables. Joins allow you to combine data from multiple tables based on related columns. There are several types of joins, including inner join, left join, right join, and full join, each serving different purposes. Mastering joins is keys to unlocking the full potential of a relational database. Now, mastering SQL queries is a fundamental skill for any software developer, and understanding these concepts will make you a more proficient and efficient in your work. Now, did I forget some of your favorites? What are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love to have a great discussion, so make sure you leave a comment down below with some of your favorite tech that is still in the graveyard. Here at Starter Pack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions for companies. So hit us up at starterpack.com/Spencer, because we'd love to help you guys out. And make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. We'll catch you guys next time.